Today we are in Surrey. We're working on the Scout HQ in the village of Bisley. This is another classic 1970s structure where we have 3 issues. So the first issue we're going to solve is improving the ground below the shallow foundations. Now how we're going to do that is inject geopolymer resin at different depths below the foundation. The second issue is trees, but when they're near foundations in certain types of soil conditions, they will potentially damage your property, and that's exactly what's happened here. So what we're going to do is any tree roots in the area, they will be suffocated by our resin. We'll also improve the ground which has been damaged by these trees. We love trees, but sometimes they can be an issue. So that now brings us on to our third issue, drains. This being a 1970s construction, they used a product called pitch fibre drains. Now the issue with this era was pitch fibre was never made to last. Now with these trees being here, the roots have impregnated into the actual below ground drain, and this has caused major issues, blockages and escape of water. So what we're going to do using our other company, RRT Drain Care, we're going to cut that out using a robotic cutter. Once that's cut out, we're going to use a process called drain relining. In theory, you're getting a new drain within the drain. Once that's done, that will bring a conclusion to the project here. And the community will be using this again, literally in 48 hours. So really, really happy to help.